In this video, let me show you how to download and also how to delete apps on your MacBook Neo. Number one, okay, is to find the App Store on the lower bar. This is how it looks, okay, App Store. If you don't see it, click on Apps, and you're gonna have to search it by typing on the top over here in the search bar app, and it will appear. You simply have to tap on it. This is the App Store. You absolutely need to be logged in into your Apple account if you want to download anything on it. If you're not logged in, tap over here and you will be able to type your username and password. Then on the left side, you have all these options. Depending what you're trying to download, you can click on these different categories and browse through hundreds of different apps. So let's say I want to download this one, Chat Messenger for Facebook. I'll click Get. You'll have this window appearing. You're going to see your Apple account down below. Click on Install. You may have to type the password of your Apple account if it's the first time you're downloading something. So I'll go ahead and type my password right over here. So once I clicked OK after inputting my password, as you see, the download has started. At the end, you're going to get the Open button. You don't have to stay on the App Store while it's downloading. You can close it and browse the web or do many other things. So now the app is downloaded and you're probably wondering, where is it? Well, to find it, you need to go in the apps right over here. Click and you'll be presented to over here with all the different apps that are on your computer. Everything is here. You're going to find your app. You can type it if you want to find it quickly, but usually it's on the first bar. Here we go. That's the app I just downloaded. And I can place it on this bigger bar over here, the lower bar, in case you're going to use it often. Simply drag it and drop it there. You can launch the app, you can use it, and when time comes to delete, you're going to go and click on the Apple logo, select System, Settings, select General. Then in General, select Storage. And from Storage, you're going to select Applications. Right over here, I have clicked the eye icon beside Applications. Find the app you want to delete. Okay, this is the app I just downloaded. So I want to delete it. I'll select it in blue and select and click on Delete. Delete. Enter the password of this Mac. Press OK. And the app will be gone from your MacBook Neo. Not everything is deletable. For example, this app that comes included with the Mac isn't. I mean, most apps that comes included with your Mac will not be deletable. So yeah, this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next one.